How to use PayPal on CNFans. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to use PayPal on your CNFan account. After you open the CNFan application or website like this, now go and find the product you want to buy. So for me, let's say I wanted to buy this shoe. After you select the shoe like this, go and select the product you want to buy. So like this one, I'll go with this one. After you find the product you want to buy, just tap on this buy button. So from this option, tap on this buy again. So from this option now, tap on this checkout. So if you come to this option now, as you can see now it gives you different payment method. As you can see now, the first one, it says credit card or debit card. The second one is Google Pay, and the third one is Scroll. So sometimes the PayPal option is not available, but you can use the PayPal option as well. So you can just tap on this credit debit card or credit card button. So to use the PayPal button, PayPal payment, so you can tap on this buy button after you select the credit card or debit card. So from this option, all you have to do now it will ask you to type in your card holder name, card number, and expiration date. So all you have to do now, you can go ahead now and use your PayPal card. As you can see now, if you come to your browser like this now, just go to your browser and search for PayPal card like this. So if you come to your browser, your Chrome or your Safari, just search for PayPal card. From there, you can be able to see the PayPal site, which they will give you a credit card or debit card, which you can be able to use the card on your payment for your online activity. So you can use the card. The card will use your USDT to just purchase things on your online. So if you have the card, just tap on the type in the card detail in this option now, and tap on this pay button. From there, you'll be able to use your CPAN. You'll be able to use your PayPal on your CPAN's account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.